Greetings, fellow adventurers, and welcome back to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel. Today, we are taking you on a journey through time as we delve into the intriguing history of RV living. The concept of living in recreational vehicles traces its roots back to the early 20th century. It all began with the invention of the first motorhome, known as the Pierce Arrow Touring Landau, introduced in the early 1910s. This luxurious vehicle was equipped with basic amenities like beds and a toilet, capturing the imagination of those seeking a nomadic lifestyle. However, the real boom in RV living occurred after World War II. As soldiers returned home and families expanded, the demand for affordable, mobile housing grew rapidly. Companies like Airstream, Winnebago, and Fleetwood entered the scene, designing and manufacturing various types of campers, trailers, and motorhomes. RVs became more accessible to the everyday consumer, offering both comfort and freedom. During the 1960s and 70s, the popularization of the RV lifestyle coincided with cultural shifts, such as the hippie movement and the rise of road trips as a symbol of freedom and self-discovery. Many embraced the idea of life on the road, fueling the rise of full-time RV living. This period also witnessed the birth of iconic RV parks and campgrounds that we still enjoy today. In recent decades, advancements in technology and design have revolutionized the RV industry. From state-of-the-art motorhome models equipped with luxurious features like smart home systems to lightweight and compact travel trailers, there is now an RV to suit every lifestyle and budget. Today, the RV community is incredibly diverse, encompassing young families, retirees, digital nomads, and adventure enthusiasts. The appeal of RV living lies in the ability to explore new destinations, connect with nature, and create cherished memories with loved ones while having the comforts of home close by. As we wrap up this trip down memory lane, we hope you've enjoyed learning about the fascinating history of RV living. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on the Daily RV Life YouTube channel for more exciting content about the RV lifestyle and everything it has to offer. Until next time, happy travels. The Daily RV Life Team.